The YMCA teamed up with FM Walleyes, Husky Bass Fishing Club, and other supporters to create some fun for veterans in our area.
The veterans were taken to the Big Cormorant Lake for an afternoon of fishing. Valley News Team's Katie Opperly was there and has our story.
Larry Kitchen is a Vietnam veteran who served from 1959 to 1964. Kitchen says he was in the hospital when he learned about a special day where veterans can come together and take a day out on the water to go fishing.
While I was in the VA at the hospital, the notation came up and I said I wanted to go. I didn't think I'd be able to, but by golly, they brought me out here and they took care of me.
Kitchen says since then, he's been coming to these fishing trips for 9 years. And for him, it's more than just a fishing trip.
This is a day, like I told you earlier, I really look forward to because it's good to see people that do good.
He says it's a day where he feels appreciated and cared for.
All these guys that bring their boats out are great guys, and this is just wonderful out here, and they treat us so good. I like it. I like it.
And these trips for Larry became even more special 3 years ago when his daughter joined him on the boat.
It means a lot to me because, you know, he's getting older and I just cherish these moments.
Michelle is a veteran herself and says she's thankful for the opportunity for all the veterans to come together and have some fun.
We all get to be together, and there's elderly veterans that are from World War II, and then you have stateside veterans like me that never went out of country, and then we all have a camaraderie, and it's just a very nice day.
At the end of the day, whether they caught 1 fish or 5, some of the veterans tell me that it's the experience that leaves them with a smile on their face. In Lake Park, Katie Opperly, Valley News Live.
Both Larry and Michelle tell us that they will continue to take part in this fishing excursion in the years to come, as it holds a very special place in their hearts.